at home and they really enjoy it and it's very yummy. Okay, we're making French toast and we have here cookie cutters that we can use. We have a heart, 2 hearts. Do you want a heart, River? We have, I think it's like an angel. You want an angel? Yes. And we have something very, very creepy for Halloween. Okay, then when you use the heart, you give it to Nico, okay? Alright, so the first step is we need cinnamon, we need shortbreads, we need milk, it can be any milk. Yep, we need sugar, and they really love it. And if they feel the texture, you can make it more sensitive. Yeah, it's sugar. You want to feel it? Like this, a little? You want to feel it like this? Say me, please. And you want to feel it? Ooh, with your bat. Alright. Oh my goodness. Okay, so who wants to help me first with the milk? You want to pour it in here?